Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NCRT Maths with Pradeep. Today we are going to start exercise number 7.2 of chapter 7, that is cube and cube roots. So let's see the first question. Find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization. So as already mentioned, so first we will do prime factorization of our given numbers and then we will see all those factors which are making a group of 3. We will write those numbers once and we are done with our question. So first one is 64. So this is 32. Okay, then 16, 8, 4, 2 and 1. So prime factorization of 64 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2. Okay. So next step is, see, this is a group of 3. This is also a group of 3. So we will write 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 3. Means for each factor we have made one group and we have written it as 2 raised to power 3 because 2 into 2 into 2 can be written as 2 into 3. So now using laws of exponents, this and this is common power. So we can write it outside. So 2 into 2 whole raised to power 3. After this step, we will write cube root of 64. This is equal to cube root of 2 into 2 whole raised to power 3. As already explained in the introduction video, when we have this 3 and this 3, they will get cancelled. I will write it once more for you. So this is 2 into 2 whole raised to power 3 and cube root is having exponent 1 by 3. So this 3 and 3 will be cancelled and our answer is 2 into 2 as 4. So that means cube root of 64 is 4. Or we can directly say that all those factors which are in the group of 3, write all those factors only one time and your answer is ready. Okay. So second is 512. So 512 we will factorize. So this is 2, 5, 6. Then this is 128. This is 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2 and 1. So prime factorization has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 2. So we will write prime factorization is equal to since 3 groups are there, so we will write 2 raised to power 3 for this group, for this also 2 raised to power 3, for this also 2 raised to power 3 and then power we will take out. Okay, so cube root of 512 is cube root of these numbers, that is 2 into 2 into 2 whole raised to power 3. Okay, after this step just ignore this because this 3 and 1 by 3 will be cancelled. So we are left with answer 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So cube root of 512 is 8. So now let's see the next part. So the third part is 10648. So 10648 in the table of 2, this is 5, 3, 2, 4, 2, 6, 6, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1. So this will go in the table of 11. So 1, 1 to 1. Again in the table of 11, 11 and 1. Okay. So we will write prime factorization of 10648 is 3 times 2 and 3 times 11. So both are in a group of 3. So this is 2 raised to power 3 and 11 raised to power 3. So now power is common. whole raised to power 3. So cube root of 10648 is, so I told you cube root of this number means this we will eliminate and we will write these numbers 1. Okay, so this is 22. Okay, each factor should be written one time and then multiply all the factors and our answer is 22. Next is 27,000. So in the table of 2, this is 13500, then 6750, 3375. So this will go in the table of 3, that is 1, 1, 2 and 5. Again in the table of 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Sorry, 3 3s are 9. So 3 7s are 21 and then 5. So again 3, 1, 2, 5. 125 will go in the table of 5. Okay, so these are the factors. Prime factorization of 27,000 is 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 times 2, 3 times 3. Okay, and 3 times 5. So each factor is coming 3 times. So 2 raised to power 3, 3 raised to power 3 and 5 raised to power 3. So take the power out, whole raised to power 3. After this step you will write cube root of 2700 is, each factor should be written. Okay, so this 3 will be eliminated. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So cube root of 27,000 is 30. So now let's see the next part. The fifth part is 15625. So it will go in the table of 5. 5 3s are 15, 1, 2 and 5. So 5 6 are 30, 2 5. Again 1, 2, 5. So 25 and 5. Okay. So prime factorization is 5 into 5 into 5 6 times. So each is making a group. So 5 raised to power 3 into 5 raised to power 3. So this is 5 into 5 whole raised to power 3. So now cube root of 15625 is equal to both these numbers, 5 into 5. So answer is 25. So next is 13824. So let's start with 2. So 6, 9, 1, 2. Then this is 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 7, 2, 8. 8, 6, 4. 432. This is 216. 108. Okay. So 54. This is 27. 9, 3 and 1. So these are the factors. These are not going into detail because you already know how to factorize. So 13824 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 3 times 3. So this is 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now one group, second group, third group and fourth group. So 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3 and 3 raised to power 3. So take the power out. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. whole raised to power 3. After this step, product of these number is the cube root. So 13824 is equal to, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, this product. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 24 is the cube root of 13824. So now let's see the next part. So seventh part is 110592. So 5 5 2 9 6 2 7 6 48 1 3 8 2 4 6 9 1 2. Then this is 3 4 5 6 1 7 2 8 864. This is 432. Then 216, 108, 54, 27, so 9, 3 and 1. Okay. So 110592 can be written as, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 3 times 3. So now each factor is making a group of 3. Okay. So we will write this in the powers of 3. 2 raised to power 3. This also 2 raised to power 3. Again 2 raised to power 3. This also 2 raised to power 3. And 3 also raised to power 3. So write each factor inside and power outside as common power. Okay. So now cube root of 110592 is equal to this product. Okay. So this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So 48 is our answer. Next is 46656. So start with 2. This is 2, 3, 3, 2, 8. Next is 1, 1, 6, 6, 4, 5, 8, 3, 2. So 2, 9, 1, 6, 1, 4, 5, 8. 7 2 9, 243, 81, 27, 9, 3 and 1. Okay. So 4 6 6 5 6 can be written as 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 2. And then 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 times 3 also. Okay. So all are in a group of 3. So 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3, 3 raised to power 3 and 3 raised to power 3. So this can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 whole raised to power 3. So now cube root of 46656 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So cube root of our given number is 36. So now let's see the next part. So the ninth part is 175616. So in the table of 2, this is 87808, then 43904. So 21952 10976 5488 2744 1372 686. Then this is 343. So this will go in the table of 7. So 7 is 49 and then 7 and 1. Okay. So these are the factors. 175616 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 times 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 3 times 7. Okay, so all are making groups. So it can be written as 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3 and 7 raised to power 3. So here it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 whole raised to power 3, and we are done with our question. So cube root of 175616 is all these factors. So 2 into 2 into 7. So this is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 7s are 56. So cube root of this number is 56. So the 10th part is 91125. Since this is not an even number, so we'll check with 3 first. So 3 3s are 9, 0, 3 3s are 9, then 7 and 5. Yes, it will go. So again 1 0 1, 3 2s are 6, 1 0 1 2 5. So 3 3 7 5, 1 1 2 5. So 3 3s are 9, 375, 125 and then in the table of 5. Okay, so prime factors of 91125 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 3, 5 and 6 and 3 times 5. So 5 5 5. Okay, so this is one group, this is second group, this is third group. So we will write this as 3 raised to power 3, 3 raised to power 3 and 5 raised to power 3. So take the power out. So 3 into 3 into 5 whole raised to power 3, and then cube root of 91125 is this product, that is 3 into 3 into 5. So 9 5s are 45. So now I hope you know how to find cube roots of any given number using prime factorization method. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. This is all about this video. See you in my next video with the remaining questions of this exercise. Thank you.